we are going on a hazelnut adventure in my backyard. This is a hazelnut thicket. I purposefully designed it this way to be thick because I wanted to ensure the cross-pollination here between American hazelnuts that I have planted around the perimeter with these precocious. And I have a couple of Europeans as well. Here's an European right here, right in front of us. Look at that. It really has a nice base. There's a European there. These are supposed to be blight-free. But in front of me here are the precocious, which are really, they're not slouches on their own either. Look at that. They're really growing well. But the American hazelnuts, they produce a lot of pollen. They're just small nuts. But it's the pollen that you want flying around here to be able to pollinate these precocious, because precocious needs the pollen. They don't produce a lot of pollen on their own. They put their energy in the nuts. But I'm here on this adventure here, and we're going to look straight up here, if I can get this to go straight up. Right there, you can see it. Oh yeah, that is a Granny Smith apple. And it's hidden here in amongst the hazelnuts, and almost all the apples here are getting devastated by codling moths right now. And I actually got to cover them with disposable socks. But this is kind of neat in that it doesn't have any codling moth damage. It's got other things poking in it, but there's no codling moth damage. And could it be that hidden in this hazelnut thicket, these apples are going to be free of codling moths, because the codling moths don't even know there's an apple in there. I'm going to try this thing. I don't think I've eaten a Granny Smith out of my place yet. I had a couple of them growing last year too, but some other critter got them. Probably a ground squirrel. But now I'm going to have a Granny Smith. Oh, look at the juice on there. Wow. That's a juicy apple. Holy cow, it's dripping off. Look at that. Look at that drip of juice there. Man, I gotta suck that up. That's good. No, Granny Smiths are pretty good apples. I got some more here. I'll show you this one. I put it into a disposable sock so you can see what that meat looks like right here. Yep. Disposable sock around it. That keeps codling moths out of there. The problem with it is you could do it too late and the codling moth already laid an egg on it, and you put this cover around it and it shrinks up and shrivels up anyway. So this apple is number 1. These spots, I'm just going to take a bite out, spit it out. I think it was actually hitting on a branch up here. That's probably why it's got those holes in it. That's good. So I got 3 more apples here that are in these cages, in these little cages here. They'll leave me hang for a while. Whenever I'm hungry, I'll come back and eat one. I probably got another week or so, or they'll get too cold and be frozen. That's kind of neat, so appreciate you watching. Incredible amount of juice in these. Granny Smith must be a good juicing apple. Wow, I would try that. Thanks for watching.